All right, here we go. We have problem 26 times 6. And this picture supposedly has something to do with it. Explain it right now to someone next to you. What does this problem have to do with this picture? All right, hopefully you guys have talked that through. If you need to, pause the video. All right, next step. We are going to start multiplying this out using the partial products. We're going to take this number 26 and break it up into parts to make it easier to find that total product of this huge array. So what should we multiply first? Let's start here. Hook that 6 with this one. And we have our first multiplication problem that we're going to write out. We have 6 times 6. And what is 6 times 6? Well, we have it somewhere in this picture. It's not the big part. It's over here. A 6 by 6 square happens to exist. So I'm going to go ahead and color that pink. And as I'm doing that, I'm thinking about what is 6 times 6. All right, 6 times 6, 36. And I'm going to color that pink too to say, yep, this part of our product exists here, the pink part. And now we still need this huge part of our array, and that happens to do with the 6 times, wait for it, 2 tens. And 2 tens is the same thing as 20. And the 6 by 20 is existing right here is this big rectangle. So a 6 by 20, I'm going to color it out and think about that product, 6 times 20. And now I'm going to write in 6 times 20 is 120. And I'm going to color that green. So now I have my green product, my pink product, and those are both parts of the big array that we're trying to get the product of. So what do we have to do with our partial products? We're going to need to add them together. And I have my official product of 156. Now let's move over to the standard algorithm and see what we do here, trying to accomplish this feat in one line. So I hook my 6 with the 6 and do 6 times 6, which remember was the pink part. And that was 36. But guess what? I'm not going to write 36. I'm only going to write 6. And where's that 3 that's worth 3 tens going to go? In the tens column, of course. And now I hook the 6 with the 2 that represents not just 2, but 2 tens. So 6 times 2 tens would be 12 tens. And 12 tens plus 3 more tens. Let's see, 12 tens. 13 tens, 14 tens, 15 tens. So we are at 15 tens, which means I put it in front of the 6 because that is the tens spot. And this number becomes 156. Cha-ching!